In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset quiz attempts for students and instructors. First, let's cover what resetting a quiz attempt actually means. For students, starting a new attempt gives you a fresh try at the same assessment, following the rules set by your course, such as time limits, allowed number of attempts, and deadlines. For instructors, resetting a student's attempt clears a specific submission so the student can try again, while keeping your gradebook and quiz settings intact. If you're a student, begin by opening your Grades tab. This is typically found in your course navigation menu. Once you're there, look for the assessment you want to retake and click it to open its details page. If your course settings allow another try, you'll see a Start New Attempt button. That button appears only when another attempt is available according to the rules your instructor set. Selecting it will begin a new session for that quiz, so make sure you're ready to complete it under the time and availability windows defined for your course. If you don't see the button, it usually means the attempt limit has been reached, the due date has passed, or the quiz settings don't permit additional attempts. In that case, you'll need to follow your course's policy for requesting another try. If you're an instructor, resetting an attempt is just as straightforward. Open the quiz and go to its See Results page to review submissions. From there, select the student's specific submission that needs attention. Once it's selected, click the Reset button. This action removes that attempt from the student's record for this quiz, allowing the student to take it again under your existing quiz rules. It's a good idea to verify that your quiz settings, like time limits, availability dates, and the total number of allowed attempts, match what you intend before you notify the student to try again. If your course uses accommodations or special access, make sure those settings are applied so the new attempt reflects them. A few quick reminders to keep everything running smoothly. For students, starting a new attempt doesn't change the quiz's rules. It simply gives you another chance within those rules. For instructors, resetting an attempt affects only the selected submission and does not alter other students' results or the overall quiz configuration. That's it. Whether you're taking a quiz or managing one, you now know exactly where to go and what to look for to reset attempts efficiently and confidently.